If your Tapo C500 camera is blinking with the red light right there, that means it's either full on the space in your SD card, which means you will need to format your SD card, and you can do it inside of the Tapo app. I also recommend to watch our video on how to perform a format of SD card for this specific model on our channel. Now, the next reason why it might be blinking red is that it's already connected to another device, and if you have this during a setup, it's basically certain that this is a problem. And you can fix this problem by flipping a gimbal of your camera up, then grab a plug right here and open it. Now inside you'll be able to find a button. You need to press on this button right there and hold it until it says that your camera have returned to factory settings, which will fix any issues with the blinking red eye, LED lamp. And that is everything.